Let's get right into it. Yeah, it's hot out here, y'all. Alright, so as you can see the difference. See that big thing right there? See that little thing right there? This here keeps messing me up. It's like I guess a guide when you get so low that they need to be changed. This here needs to be changed, so this here is touching, so we're gonna change it. Now, let me unplug this thing so that it don't take off on me. Let's see here. I think this is it right here, the button. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Turns the opposite way. Shall I say? Well, yeah, it turns the opposite way. That's what I'm gonna stick with. Let me see here. Yep, opposite turn. So, I got lucky. I went to Harbor Freight. They had these in stock. I grabbed what they had, which was 2. All right, put you down here. All right, so the way this thing works is that, as you can see, it's a key. You slide this piece in there, which in turn will hook onto here, because you got 2 of them. So you slide them on like that, and you turn it, slide it right on, put this on there, oh, wrong way, turn it back this way. We unplugged it. But anyway, look at the major difference between these barrels. Yeah. Whole lot of that barrel gone. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna keep this though. Might be able to use it for something else. Go. Let me get my gear back on and we'll get back to grind. I'm gonna bring y'all back once I get that side done. Alright guys, so here we go. Side is clean. Gotta clean off this little stuff like this right here a little better, but I mean, we are clean. And we started up there, and we already, you know, we went up the side on the last video and we up there a little bit. Well, I gotta tell you, man, I said it before, I'm gonna say it again. That tool ain't no punk. It's hot, so, you know, I can only do so much, man, because it's hot out here. Also, let me show you this too. I have the prop rods I got to hold up the hood, but I don't like them because they're cheap. The way they got them made, I don't like it. I don't like this little clip here, so I'm gonna order me some more, some a little better, and you know, and will work out that way. Also, I got the front end that I wanted. The main reason why I wanted the front end, it's 86, is because of this. The 85 and 86 had this opening right here. It's, you know, so it get more air up in there. That's why I like that front end. But we got some work to do, man. I can say, man, we are 25% done, I want to say, because I still got the top to do. I still got the trunk to do. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the trunk, and I still got the other side to do. So, like I said, we 25% done. And then once I'm done with that, I'm still gonna have to take my grinder and get into the small areas that tool can get. Now it look like I'm gonna need, I got another barrel, but I probably gonna need another one after that. So I need to go buy 1 or 2 more barrels to finish this car up. Also, it's gonna be a few days. Ain't gonna need me lying to you. It's gonna be a few days. Maybe even a fucking week. Sorry, maybe even a week. Cause it's gonna be hot the next couple days. Today, the index is 111, you know, so hell, I'm doing good just being out here right now. So, yeah, so I am going to get the top done and the trunk done. And then once I jump on the other side, I'll bring y'all back, because we gotta move this vehicle over this way. So I'll bring y'all back then, and then yeah, we'll get into it. Also, while I've been looking at it, man, I think we sitting a little bit too high up here. So even though the engine not in there, as you can see, we still sitting too high. Still sitting too high. So I think I'm gonna order some springs to drop it down 2 inches in the back and probably 1.5 inches in the front. And then we should get that stance that I'm looking for. Yep, we should get that stance that I'm looking for. Oh shoot, we done turned yellow up in this piece. All right, yeah, so there we go. So we should get that stance I'm looking for, and we can move on to something else, which would be priming. I'm hoping in this video that we get some priming done. If not, it'll be a part 3. So I'll catch y'all in a few days. What's going on, BSG? So it's middle of the night, and I got work tomorrow, but I need to get out here and get going on this vehicle, man, so we can try to make some progress. All right, so we're gonna get on this top and see where we end up at, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So let's get to it. And that's gonna be it for tonight. Only thing I found was this right here, and I need to get something in this roof. So this is real flimsy. But this is the only thing I found so far on this car. Is this right here. And I'm gonna see what this is, which I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna find out what it is right there. But that's gonna be it for today. So we're gonna jump back on this tomorrow. Well, BSG, another video in the books. We are going to call this one an end, and I know you guys tired of seeing me do this talk on bodywork. I'm tired of doing the bodywork myself. So we're going to end this video right here, and the next video is going to be us doing epoxy primer and doing 2K primer. Showing you how the car look right now, and we're going to see our next big change is coming next. So stay on the lookout for the video. Appreciate all y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and we're going to catch y'all on the next one. Peace.